In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build dashboards and reports in monday.com. Whether you're new to monday.com or looking to enhance your existing setup, by the end of this webinar, you'll be able to create insightful dashboards to better visualize and organize your data. First, let's start by opening your workspace. After logging into your monday.com account, navigate to the specific workspace where you want your new dashboard to reside. This could be a team workspace or a personal one, based on your requirements. You'll find your list of workspaces on the left-hand side of the dashboard. Once you're in the right workspace, look at the left sidebar and click the plus add button. This will present you with a few options, but you'll want to select New Dashboard to kickstart the creation of your personalized dashboard. Naming your dashboard efficiently is crucial. A descriptive name helps your team understand instantly what the dashboard is about. Something like Team Overview or Marketing KPIs can be very effective. You also have the choice to set your dashboard as private, shareable, or main. Choose private if it's just for you, shareable if external viewers need access, and main if it's a team dashboard. As we move forward, you'll see that dashboards in monday.com are created using widgets, which are the building blocks. Click on plus add widget to get started. You'll find various widget options. The chart widget is excellent for visualizing metrics such as progress and goals. The battery widget is useful to track task status across different boards. For tracking dates and schedules, the calendar widget will come in handy. Numbers widget is ideal for financial and sales data, while the table widget can display items from any connected boards. Lastly, the workload widget helps balance work across your team or your own tasks. Now let's connect boards to your dashboard. As soon as you add a widget, monday.com will prompt you to connect it to specific boards. This is crucial as it lets you pull in data from various sources like project boards or sales trackers. You can choose one board or multiple boards depending on your needs. Next, it's time to customize the settings for each widget. This involves adjusting filters to display the exact data you want, like tasks due soon or high priority items. You can also personalize the appearance by choosing different colors, chart types, and data groupings to make your information stand out and easier to digest. Finally, you'll want to organize your dashboard layout. This is done by dragging and dropping widgets into the arrangement that works best for you, resizing them as necessary for optimal visibility. A well-organized dashboard ensures you and your team can grasp information quickly and accurately. With these steps, you'll be able to create a dynamic and purposeful dashboard in monday.com, tailored perfectly to suit your needs.